One more beats, baby.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we are going to be talking about the Z Automotive Taser DT. I got this a couple months ago and haven't had an opportunity to install in the truck. So we're going to do that today. It's the part number if you need it. Go ahead and pause the video right there. In the box you get taser, cable to do any updates, and cool Z Automotive sticker. Not bad. Alright, so a lot of people buy this Z Automotive Taser for the light show feature, which is a pretty dope feature. For you guys that don't know, it makes your lights do all kind of flashy patterns, and you can change them and customize them and stuff like that. I specifically bought the Taser for other features like the start stop feature. It disables it if you want it off. Typically when you push the button and turn it off and you turn back on your truck, it turns back on. So the Taser will disable that feature. I mean, you can still push the button, but it remembers what you had it at last. So that way when you get back in your truck and you start your truck up again, if you had it on, it'll be on. If you had it off, it'll be off. Another reason is it disables the seatbelt chime for you. Now there's another way you can do it, and I'll make a video about that later, where you like click it in and out a few times or whatever, and it gets rid of it for you, or it turns it off. So that's another way to do it. The Taser also gives me the ability to change my settings in the dash there. So I can go ahead and let the truck know it's sitting on 35s and adjust the speedometer and all that other jazz. So that way I'm not speeding, or if I'm traveling at high speeds, the speedometer will be accurate with the different size tires. It enables your key to roll up and down the windows. That's experimental, so they say. We're going to check it out and see what it does. The other thing is the mirrors. So most people have to push this button to fold the mirrors in and out. The Taser allows you to do that when you turn on and off your truck. So when the ignition is turned on, the mirrors pop out. When you turn off your truck, they'll go back in. They'll fold back in. So those are just a few reasons why I bought it. The Taser does a crazy amount of different things. It has a bunch of different features that a lot of people will enjoy and a lot of people will find useful. Yeah, let's go ahead and get to installing this thing. All right, so get in here and find, okay, so there goes your OBD2 sensor. So right behind that, you should find your, there it is, right there, your SGW module or whatever the heck they call it. You're gonna need to remove those two pins and plug your Taser into there. So I'll do that real quick. Once you have those two removed, you can go ahead and plug them into your Taser. And then you'll see the lights flashing. And once it goes green, there it goes, it's green. Now I can move on to the setup process in mirroring the Taser to your vehicle. So go ahead and tuck that away for now. Jump back in the truck. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I filmed this video a while ago, and somehow from the time I filmed the video until now, I misplaced the footage on how to properly marry your taser and set it up. But that's okay, because lucky for you, we have this thing called the internet. Everything that you need to know is on there on the website. And if you purchase a taser, you'll have instructions that show you exactly what to do and how to do it. But what I do have is these nice lists here that show you all of its functions and what it's capable of. And I can show you some previously recorded footage on what it does and what some of the light shows are. So here you are.